now we're gonna go on the train again. We're gonna go back to Terminal C. Those are your speakers up there. Yep. Here comes the train, of course. Those are the Montgomery elevators. Oh, there's nobody in the front. This time I'm gonna sit in the back. Yeah, those are your speakers up there, music speakers up there, and your light fixtures. Here we go. Look in the window. Hi. So yeah, Jimly Elevators. I'm on the train again. So yeah, Jimly Elevators. This video is for you, since I'm back at IAH Airport and I'm back on the interterminal train. Nobody's in the middle car either. But although there's one person in the very back. But I'm not gonna get on a picture though. Here we come to the Marriott Hotel. Yep. Man. Again, I really don't like those turns. There's the other train station over there, and that train's already leaving. So yeah. When we come up, I'm thinking of changing. Whoa! All right, now I'm gonna get up to the front so that I can get a view. Getting a cab view of this train. Haha. And there's my dad right here. Yep, here we go. Now we're gonna go to Terminal C.
You're at the Marriott Hotel. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal C.
There's our stop all the way over there. And yeah, I'm sorry I can't zoom in because I'm using my phone and not my Kodak camera. And whoa! Oh my god! There's another stairwell over there. Another view of the ceiling. I'm gonna move over right here. Yeah. Sorry about all the shakiness, guys. But yeah. Here we come. And here we come. Yep, there's our stop. When we get over there, I'm going to do a video of the baggage claim. Hopefully this time. And whoa, it's dark. And whoa, here we come.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal D and E.
Ustedes se encuentran en la terminal C. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D y E.
Here we are. Let's get off here. But yep, I'm gonna watch the train leave. In fact, there it goes. Yep, there goes the train.
You are in Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be
And let's move on now. Let's ride this, Oh, there's an elevator right there. Oh, we missed it. Oh! Let's go up to the arrivals in the baggage claim area. I already pressed number 1. Yep. This is the arrivals area. Alright, and now here's the baggage claim area. Oh, yep, got the camera pointed down because of people. Yep, and I'm going to stop it for now.